In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Paybis to buy Bitcoin. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and this will take you to the official Paybis website where you actually have to create your account. So if you don't know how to do this, you can watch the video tutorial on my channel. I actually have a guide on that, so go through that first, and once you have your account and you have the access to your dashboard, to the member area on Paybis, then you can continue over here. So to use Paybis to buy Bitcoin, just go ahead and click on the buy button, click buy again, and then first you have to select how much you would like to spend and how you want to pay. So here you can click on this button, you can select one of these payment methods over here. I'm going to select credit or debit card, and then you can of course select your currency as well. I'm just going to do euros, and I want to spend 100 euros on Bitcoin. If you have a promo code, you can type it in here. I do not, so I can't do that. And then you'll see here, you can receive this much Bitcoin for this much money spent. Now, of course, you can select Bitcoin over here if it's not selected yet. There we go. And then after everything looks cool, click on buy Bitcoin. After you do that, you'll be directed over here where you have to select how you want to receive it. So you can either receive it on your Paybis wallet, which is going to go to this wallet up here inside your account, or an external wallet like, for example, Phantom, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance, whatever you're using. So for me, I use Phantom. I can just click on the Phantom wallet. I can go ahead and click on receive, or just click on tokens and Bitcoin over here. And then I can click on receive, press copy, and then I get my wallet address. I can just paste in here, and make sure you actually double check this so everything is correct, because if it's not, your Bitcoin could get lost. And after you do it, click on continue. And depending on which payment method you chose, you'll be able to fill in your info. So for me, I can either pay with Google Pay or with new card. I'm going to just add a new card. You can then put in all your information and click on pay over here. You'll go through a quick verification process for your address and your ID as well. And then after you get verified, you'll be able to review your payment and then get the payout to your either wallet on Paybis or external wallet. And of course, you'll receive your Bitcoin there. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.